This is Lady Onlie by Robert Burns. Lady Onlie, honest Lucky. Brews good ale at shore of Bucky. A Lucky is a tavern mistress. Bucky is a fishing village between Castle Gordon and Cullen in the Highlands. Lady Onlie, honest Lucky, brews good ale at shore of Bucky. I wish her sail for her good ale, the best on all the shore of Bucky. All the lads of Thornie-bank, when they get to the shore of Bucky, they'll step in and talk a pint with Lady Onlie, honest Lucky. Lady Onlie, honest Lucky, brews good ale at shore of Bucky. I wish her sail for her good ale, the best on all the shore of Bucky. Her hussy bean, her curch sae clean, I wot she is a dainty Chuckie, and cheery blinks the ingle gleede, Lady Onlie, honest Lucky. Lady Onlie, honest Lucky, brews good ale at shore of Bucky. I wish her sail for her good ale, the best on all the shore of Bucky. Her house sae clean, her house sae bean, her house so cozy, her kerchief so clean. I wot she is a dainty Chuckie. I know she is a worthy, open-hearted gal. And cheery blinks the ingle gleede. Cheery glows the fireside. That translates to Lady Onlie, honest Lucky. So Burns passed through Bucky on his Highland tour, 1787, and actually wrote two tunes to that melody, which is called the Ruffian's Rant. And I'll put the other one up next. It's called Theniel Menzies Bonie Mary. Putting up as most of Burns' songs in chronological order. We're up to September 1787, and he lived till July of 1796. Writing songs like a madman. So there are many more to go. I hope you'll subscribe. Be well.